Do you know what progeria is?
No, actually, no idea.
Is it a cause?
It's like a charity.
Charity? Okay. Thank you. What do you
Say
think?
that word again?
Progeria. Just guess. Wild guess.
I think that is in favor of Garius.
How's that better than mine? Progeria. Something like.
I don't have a clue.
What do you think? Guess.
Type of exotic fruit.
Exotic fruit? Okay.
Progeria.
Yeah. If you had to think it was a thing, what would you guess?
An object?
Yeah.
All of the 10 to 15.
I have no idea. Like some ancient shit. I have no idea.
Progeria is a disease.
What is Hutchinson-Gilford progeria syndrome?
Hutchinson-Gilford progeria syndrome is a genetic condition characterized by the dramatic, rapid appearance of aging beginning in childhood. Affected children typically look normal at birth and in early infancy, but then grow more slowly than other children and do not gain weight at the expected rate. They develop characteristic facial appearance including prominent eyes, a thin nose with a beaked tip, thin lips, a small chin, and protruding ears. Hutchinson-Gilford progeria syndrome also causes hair loss, aged-looking skin, joint abnormalities, and a loss of fat under the skin. This condition does not disrupt intellectual development nor the development of motor skills such as sitting, standing, and walking. People with Hutchinson-Gilford progeria syndrome experience severe hardening of the arteries beginning in childhood. This condition greatly increases the chances of having a heart attack or stroke at a young age. These serious complications can worsen over time and are life-threatening for affected individuals.
How common is Hutchinson-Gilford progeria?
This condition is very rare. It is reported to occur in 1 in 4 million newborns worldwide. More than 130 cases have been reported in scientific literature since the condition was first described in 1886.
What genes are related to progeria syndrome?
Mutations in the LMNA gene cause Hutchinson-Gilford progeria syndrome. The LMNA gene provides instructions for making a protein called lamin A. This protein plays an important role in determining the shape of the nucleus within cells. It is an essential scaffolding component of the nuclear envelope, which is the membrane that surrounds the nucleus. Mutations that cause Hutchinson-Gilford progeria syndrome result in the production of an abnormal version of lamin A protein. The altered protein makes the nuclear envelope unstable and progressively damages the nucleus, making cells more likely to die prematurely. Progeria is considered an autosomal dominant condition, which means one copy of the altered gene in each cell is sufficient to cause the disorder. The condition results from new mutations in the LMNA gene and almost always occurs in people with no history of the disorder in their family. Progeria also goes by other names of Hutchinson-Gilford progeria syndrome, HGPS, and progeria of childhood.
Some interesting facts about progeria. Only 118 children have been identified as having progeria in the world today. The average life expectancy of someone with progeria is only 13 to 14 years old. Progeria is extremely rare because you cannot inherit it. Progeria has been around for about 130 years. The most common deadly factors of progeria include heart disease risks due to the increased aging. There has been a famous movie based on the symptoms of progeria, though slightly expanded due to Hollywood, including Brad Pitt.
Thanks for watching. We hope you've learned a lot about progeria.